Got a big bump.
That's okay. Alright. Whee!
It's lucky wins.
Yeah,
Roll
going backwards. So, we're all loaded in.
We're in like Flynn. With
Yeah.
the old... Oh, there it is.
And then we lost Dad
What's
somewhere.
going on, huh? This is exciting. Your fresh air outside, fresh air for the first time.
Yeah. It's cold and windy.
That's interesting.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going home. It's very exciting.
Okay.
No, why did you let her sit back here?
Because it's
No,
a hard
it was
step
my
in and out of the
choice.
back seat.
Oh.
It's my choice. You didn't make me do anything.
It's because I'm mean.
But she's doing good.
There's Mom coming home from the hospital.
Yay! I'm very excited about this. Very, very excited. Do you want me to take it? Or you just...
Sure.
Yeah. How's the baby doing, Mom?
Oh, doing great. Her eyes are a little bit open. She's taking it all in.
Oh, that's good.
Her eyes are closing.
Told you.
It's bright.
She likes riding in the car. When we do a burnout,
No.
she likes it when I do burnouts.
There's Dad. Coming home. Yay! Alright. Off. She's home!
Look at her. Say hey to Mom. Hey, Mom.
Hey,
We're going to go ride the scooter later.
the scooter.
Mm-hmm. A cute little baby.
Woo! It's your front door.
Okay.
I'll start bringing stuff in.
We're home, little girl. Oh. You're down there and I can't bend over to pick you up.